CM Secateriate mamang mioi isingna ka henna punliba ashigi matang political party madagi yangsinaba che tharakpa leire masigi matang DEO na thijinli DEO gi report ki matung ina Model Code of Conduct Tugairam Labadi Matik Chaba Action Lokhatkani Haina Manipur ge Chief Electoral Officer Pradeep Kumar Jahana Phongdokre Wafamase ngase April Thada Pangthokadoriba Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha Mikhalga Mari Ledana Lamfelda Leba CEO Office ta Pangthokpa Mass Signature Campaign Lamthabagi Thoramga Mari Ledana Phongdokhibani Thoramaduga Mari Ledana Pradeep Kumar Jahana Makha Taraduna Ngasidagi Hodokliba Mass Signature Campaign ase Maru Oina Lamdam asida voting percentage ase Hengatnaba amadi free and fair Oina Pangthoknabagi Pandamda Pangthokpani Handak Pangthokadoriba Lok Sabha Mikhal asiga Mari Ledana District Tarada Relief Camp Chahumgi Special Polling Station Marifutara Mari Hangdoknaba Sem Sapa Loire Apunba Special Polling Station asida punna voter listing pun Mari ga chamnga henna vote thadagani Election asigi polling staff singi training loikibaga loinana security ki checks in thorangi damak tasu ahen babitning changduna thamli loinana Manipur asi nupi voter masing ka henna yambana polling station singda nupi staff sing henna thamnaba sem saba loire haiki nakalamaromda CM Secateriate mamangda mioi kayana ka henna punliba asigi matangda political party amadagi yengsinaba che tharakpa leire Masigi matangda DEO na thijinli DEO gi report ki matung ina Model Code of Conduct Thugairam Labadi Matik Chaba Action Lokhatkani Amadi Pangthokadoriba election asida lamdam asigi mipum khudingmakna saruk yanabasu appeal torakli
Staff singing from the volunteer singing my Kazuki. I'm a chum of the role in a ling of Kaitopira Siki campaign. I see how to put the Saruya Vivinamata, Sartolana, I Makataba program.
All the preparations are on the way. The trainings of the polling personnel, deployment of the flying squads, the quick response teams, the video surveillance teams, the static surveillance teams have already been done. The enforcement agencies have also started doing their routine activities in addition to what is supposed to be prior to elections. They have also set up various checkpoints, joint checkpoints consisting of the teams of various enforcement agencies. They are all working together. Proper review and monitoring of their activities is also being done. On the front of preparation for the logistics of election, the first and the second randomization of the EVM, the electronic voting machines, has already been done in presence of the candidates or the authorized representatives.